If you're terrified of using book review platforms, this video is for you. There are many doom and gloom people out there talking about how Amazon can shut down your Amazon KDP account if you get book reviews the wrong way. And they are right. So I've been testing more book review platforms beyond the one I always use, and I found one that I am very excited to show you. This ebook review platform is very adamant about keeping their users safe, and is probably the safest I have found, so keep watching. Hi, my name is Gabrielle. I'm a self-published author, and I share tips on self-publishing and how to earn money online passively. Amazon is currently paying for my bills, so this stuff works. Today, I am exploring BookVillage, which is an ebook review platform founded by a master of science in business and statistics who is extremely thorough in his methods and is very focused on keeping their users' KDP accounts safe. In my conversations with him, I did notice how scientific and professional his approach is, and I am very impressed. My dad is a scientist, so I definitely sensed that deep knowledge in him, which increased my trust in testing this platform. BookVillage claims to be the only Amazon-compliant platform, allowing you to get Amazon reviews without breaking a single rule. They believe that all coins and points methods for getting book reviews are destined to crash, so they offer a different system. They explain that when some people pay extra on other platforms to get more coins or points, they focus on their own review requests, and they are less likely to contribute reviews for other authors, which puts them at risk of getting flagged by Amazon, as it feels like a monetary exchange. BookVillage offers these 7 advantages to make sure that you get and provide reviews in a safe, optimized way. I know you're excited to check it out, so let's get started. First, sign up using the link in the description to get started for free. With my link, you get a 30-day trial, and it will lock in your price for life after that. Your plan will include all of this. Unlike other platforms, in BookVillage, there are no tiers. Everyone who signs up will get these same advantages, and there won't be any book reviewers spamming their books more than others, since this doesn't work with a points, credits, or coin system. BookVillage is more like a community. The way it works is through 4 simple steps. 1. You can add your book. They call this section the Author Office. There you can view all your own books. 2. You can read other people's books. They call it the Reader Office. You'll find there the books you pick to review. You get them from the library. 3. Every time you review a book, you unlock the right to promote your book. They call this a promotion, which is in reality a review request. When you promote your book, they will match you with readers. Their algorithm makes sure there is never a review swap, which are forbidden by Amazon KDP's terms and conditions. 4. BookVillage will automatically start building what they call an ARC list of consistent and authentic reviews and reviewers that boosts your Amazon credibility. When you log in, you will see the dashboard, and on the left, you'll find the sections I just mentioned. The Author Office, where your uploaded books are stored. The ARC list, where you'll see your reviews. The Reader's Office, where you'll find the books you chose to review. And the Library, where you can choose the books you want to read. They recently added an extra feature to protect your Amazon KDP account even more, and no one else has this. It is the BookVillage Extension. So now, when you log in, it asks you if you've reviewed books on Amazon before. If you choose yes, you can automatically import your reviews with their browser extension. This ensures that there are no review swaps at all, even if you've used other review platforms in the past, because each review platform has their own algorithm. But if you're using different review platforms, you could accidentally end up with a review swap. But with BookVillage, this will never happen because they check all the reviews you have submitted in the past to completely make sure you never fall into a review swap. This is impressive. However, if you don't want to use the browser extension, you can also do a manual import of your past reviews. I quickly installed the extension on Chrome, following their prompts, but you can also install it on Firefox. I did not use the extension right away in Chrome. I returned to BookVillage on my browser tab, and it detected the extension was installed. Press continue. This will activate the extension. I chose import reviews, and it automatically pulled all my past reviews. Once it finished, it sent me back to the dashboard. And now I am ready to start using BookVillage. The first time you enter each one of these sections, they present a window with everything you need to know about this section. I told you, they are very thorough. I like that they do this to get started, so everything is nice and clear. And please read those pop-up messages. Don't skip them. They contain important information. You have to acknowledge that you read them to continue. They will not pop up again. To upload the book you want reviewed, press Add Your Book and follow the prompts that they provide. I like that it automatically grabs your book using your Amazon link. You don't have to manually copy and paste all your book's details. You can, however, add a message for your readers and update your book at any time. They will send you an email once your book is approved. If you press Let's Get Promoted for the first time, it provides some more information on how the promotion system works. The BookVillage depends on contributions, and it's only fair that you contribute to the community. Just like they say here, the type and number of promotions you can activate depends on your contributions. Once you've read this, click here to confirm you understand the guidelines. As a new user of BookVillage, I could ask for one of the following types of book promotion right away, without reviewing another book: a standard unverified promotion, a Kindle Unlimited promotion, and a free verified promotion. I could choose a Kindle Unlimited promotion right now because my book is enrolled in Kindle Unlimited. And if your book is running a free book promotion on Kindle because it's your book launch, you can start promoting it right away. But if not, and if your book does have a cost, you need to review someone else's book first. My book is not running a free promotion right now, as I already launched it a while ago, and it hasn't been 90 days since my last KDP reduced price promo on KDP. The verified promotions which require people to buy your book are not available for me right now because I haven't reviewed any books yet. I see that they require your book to be at two different price points, 99 cents or $2.99. This is very interesting, and it is definitely a great strategy to get your book reviews fast. You can lower your ebook price temporarily to do this. This is the second platform that I see limiting the book's price. This ensures that you do get reviews and keeps the system fair. I do feel, however, that the $2.99 limit is a bit low, so I reached out to them asking for more price options, and they said they will adjust that soon. However, I do think that the 99 cents option should stay for better results. My book has a higher price, so I'm not going to request a promotion yet, as I have to change my book price on KDP, and I need to submit a review for others first. I can come back to my book anytime in the author office. Next, I'm going to the reader office, where you can find all the books you have chosen to read and review. Next, I'm going to the library. The guidelines pop up warning about their advanced monitoring systems and how they forbid low-effort reviews generated with AI tools. This is awesome. I strongly dislike lazy reviewers who generate their reviews using AI. Like I mentioned on previous videos, that is the fastest way to get your Amazon KDP account banned. Yes, your account as the reviewer. The author receiving the review can be affected too, but the first one to get flagged would be you if you're using AI to create book reviews. The good thing is that BookVillage has strict rules to protect all authors, both the reviewers and the reviewed. You'll surely get kicked out of BookVillage for not making an effort to provide an honest, well-thought review. I also really like how they have a limit of 1 assignment per day with a maximum of 6 per week. That means you can only review 6 books per week. Other book review platforms allow more reviews per week, which can look suspicious to Amazon. All platforms I have tested do have a book review limit also, but BookVillage is more strict. This limit is for your own Amazon KDP account safety. Lately, I've been noticing that Amazon itself limits the amount of product reviews you can leave per day. So this makes sense. The turnaround time here is fixed. You can only submit your review 5 days after you choose a book. This is excellent. This also keeps reviewers from submitting excessive reviews or reviewing too soon, which could get you flagged on Amazon. Remember, these are all excellent safety measures to keep your Amazon KDP account safe. Unlike other platforms, you are shown only a small amount of books at a time. You can choose to skip or open a book. This is good because then everyone's books get a more fair chance of getting picked up. On other review platforms, people usually choose the cheapest books to review or the ones that give them more points. Here, the choice depends more on whether you're interested in a book or not. It's important to establish your reader profile first so that BookVillage shows you books that are in your marketplace. Mine is in the US, so I chose Amazon.com. You can only change this reader profile once every 14 days, so be careful to select the correct one. It also allows you to choose the review detection method. Right now, they have manual detection only, but they are adding automatic review detection, which is great. That means you will no longer have to submit your Amazon review link like on other platforms. I haven't seen any other review platform that detects your Amazon review link automatically. You usually have to copy your review link on Amazon and paste it, and some people struggle finding that review link. Once you open a book, it provides you more information about that book, including the link to it on Amazon and the promotion types it has available. I am choosing a verified 99-cent promotion. I like that it asks you if the price is accurate and if it matches the price on Amazon. If it doesn't, BookVillage will send the author an email warning them that the price is not accurate and they will need to update their book. If everything looks good, then choose Book This Assignment. Once you do that, this book is placed in your reader office. But in this screen, it shows you all the information about the review window, the deadline, and also a button to cancel the assignment if you wish. If you scroll down, it tells you the next steps to follow, which they call your tasks. You must purchase the book, read it for the following 6 days, and then submit your review on Amazon. Remember to follow BookVillage's guidelines. No lazy AI reviews, no low-effort, useless reviews. If you do that, you will be expelled from BookVillage, and your account will be deactivated. Remember, your KDP account could get shut down if you do that. So not only will you get banned from BookVillage, but also KDP. So just submit a real and honest review, please. It's for your own good. You can view all your assignments, the books you chose to review, anytime. Just go to the reader office. You will find them there. Right after submitting your review on Amazon, you must complete the assignment on BookVillage. After that, you have 7 days to provide the Amazon review link. You usually get an email from Amazon once your review is approved. Don't choose permalink, just right-click on the title of your review and copy the link address. This is the link you will provide to BookVillage. Next, your review will have to be approved by BookVillage, and now you can promote your book. This means you can request a review for your book. Depending on how many contributions you have made to the village by reviewing other people's books, they determine how many promotions you can run for your book. To get reviewed, go to the author office, choose Go to Book, and select Let's Get Promoted. I explained this earlier. The types of promotions that appear activated are the ones you have now available. I'm choosing Kindle Unlimited. They will soon have an option for scheduling promotions, which I think is great. I like that they are constantly improving their platform. I'm choosing single promotion, which starts immediately. It allows me to request 1 or 2 reviews right now. I see they have a Book Smart option coming soon to automatically space out reviews, which avoids getting multiple reviews on the same day. That is another awesome safety feature. Press Start Promotion, and voila, my review request is live. At the bottom here, it shows me the promotion I just created and that I'm looking for 1 reader. Finally, I want to show you something I found unique. They have a university and wiki section to learn how to use BookVillage in the best way possible, with lots of Amazon KDP tips and on how to keep your account safe. So far, I am very impressed with BookVillage. which is why I decided to share it with you. Remember to use my link so you can try it for free for 30 days, plus you get an added benefit. 2 months for only $15 each, and on the 4th month, your $20 per month is locked in for life. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have any questions. BookVillage is so different from other book review platforms. At first, it felt strange to see the names author office, reader office, etc. But it makes sense. They are treating you in a professional way, giving you the respect you deserve as an author, a reader, and a part of their community. You are a published author, so each section of the platform gives you a special space, your office, to follow each tasks and get reviews safely as part of their community. If you enjoy this kind of information, please remember to like and subscribe, and to explore other book review platforms and learn more about self-publishing through Amazon KDP, please watch my Amazon KDP playlist next.